Nigeria has long been regarded as a maritime nation, blessed with vast energy resources, a busy coastline, and one of the largest offshore markets in Africa. Yet, despite these advantages, our coastal trade remains dominated by foreign vessels. But here's the question. What does it take for a foreign ship or service boat to operate legally in Nigerian waters? In this video, we'll break down the process, from corporate registration to cabotage licensing, under the Coastal and Inland Shipping Cabotage Act of 2003. The Cabotage Act of 2003 was established to protect Nigeria's domestic shipping industry. It reserves all coastal and inland trade. That means cargo movement between Nigerian ports, for vessels that are wholly Nigerian-owned, built in Nigeria, and crewed by Nigerians. The goal? To promote indigenous capacity, create jobs, and keep maritime revenue within our shores. However, since local capacity is still developing, foreign vessels can participate only under specific legal conditions, through a waiver, a license, and registration in NIMASA's Special Cabotage Register. Here's how the process works, step by step. 8. Corporate registration. The foreign company must incorporate a Nigerian subsidiary with at least N100 million in share capital and a physical office in Nigeria. Nine. Business permit. The company must obtain a business permit from the Federal Ministry of Interior, authorizing it to operate locally. 10. Cabotage waiver. If no Nigerian-owned vessel is available for the required service, the Minister of Transportation, on NIMASA's recommendation, may issue a waiver, allowing a foreign-owned, foreign-flagged, or foreign-crewed vessel to participate. (11) Cabotage license. The vessel must then obtain a cabotage license valid for 1 year, renewable annually. Sometimes a 2% surcharge on the contract value applies. 12. Temporary import permit. Next, the Nigeria Customs Service issues a temporary import (TI) permit for the vessel or equipment, usually valid for 1 to 2 years, supported by a bank bond. (13) Special cabotage registration. Once the waiver and license are granted, the vessel is entered into NIMASA's Special Cabotage Register, a 5-year certificate with annual endorsements. (14) Final clearance. Before entering port, the vessel must obtain a Ship Entry Notice (SEN) from the Nigerian Ports Authority (NPA), confirming legal entry into Nigerian waters. Both the operating company and the vessel must present comprehensive documentation. For the company, application letter and official forms, certificate of incorporation and CAC filings, memorandum and articles of association, current tax clearance certificate, evidence of NIMASA registration as a shipping company, joint venture agreement if applicable. For the vessel, foreign certificate of registry, international tonnage certificate, crew list and an undertaking to train Nigerian cadets, minimum safe manning certificate and all statutory safety documents, valid insurance policy, survey and condition reports, contract for cabotage operations. The process usually begins with company incorporation and obtaining the business permit. Afterward, you apply for NIMASA Shipping Company registration, followed by waiver and license requests through the Ministry of Transportation. Then, apply for the temporary import permit with customs, register the vessel in the Special Cabotage Register, and finally, obtain your ship entry notice from NPA. It may sound lengthy, but with proper documentation and expert support, it's achievable within a few months. A waiver is granted only when NIMASA confirms that no suitable Nigerian vessel is available. Operating in Nigerian waters without proper cabotage documentation can lead to severe penalties, including fines and possible forfeiture of the vessel. Always ensure your insurance, crew certification, and safety records are up to date. NIMASA audits are thorough and continuous. Cabotage compliance isn't just a legal formality. It's about building trust and supporting Nigeria's maritime development. Every foreign operator who follows the right process contributes to the growth of indigenous participation, local training, and job creation. Compliance also protects your investment, ensures smooth customs clearance, and strengthens your company's reputation in Nigeria's energy and shipping industry. Because of the complexity of these procedures, it's strongly advised that foreign companies partner with experienced maritime law firms or logistics consultants. At Seamayors Maritime, we emphasize regulatory awareness and practical guidance, ensuring all our clients and partners navigate the Nigerian maritime framework with confidence. Nigeria's maritime potential is vast, and compliance with the Cabotage Act is the key to unlocking it responsibly. Foreign operators are welcome, but they must play by the rules that strengthen local capacity and safeguard our national interest. I'm Chris, and this is Seamayors Maritime, simplifying global shipping for the African market.